Hey everyone! Well, I just opened a Longbridge account and I think this could be one of the most affordable stock brokerage in Singapore right now. I'm going to give you my honest review of Longbridge, walk you through the super easy account opening process and explain exactly why I think this is a game changer for investors. But first, if you are all about saving money on fees and who isn't, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps to support the channel and costs you absolutely nothing. And if you are already thinking of signing up, you can use my referral link in the description below for some sweet bonus. More on that later. Let's get started. So what is the deal with Longbridge? This is not some fly-by-night operation. This is a fully licensed stockbroker regulated right here by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS. Founded in 2019, they have quickly expanded operating in major markets like Singapore, Hong Kong, China, New Zealand, and the US. With Longbridge, you can get access to a massive range of investment from stocks, ETF, and REITs to options and more, all easily managed from your phone or desktop. Now let's talk about why this platform is affordable. First, it offers zero commission. Yes, you pay zero commission when you buy or sell any stock in the Singapore, Hong Kong or US market. There's still a tiny platform fee while the commission is zero, which is just 99 cents per order. It used to be $1.98, but they have just cut it down. Singapore market even cheaper. For SGS stock, it is an unbelievable low at 0.06% or a minimum of 99 cents per trade. That's practically pocket change. For US options, fees start at $2.98 and still a great deal. But it's not all just about cheap trades. Longbridge also offers some useful features which I think are useful for beginners or experienced investors, and you may appreciate. First is the instant financial insight. So you can easily pull up a company financials and performance. There's no jumping between gap and you can do a quick comparison. Second, there's this quite a cool features called market temperature. It is like a real-time fear versus greed indicator. So right now in August, I'm seeing the US market as 61 degrees. Still quite comfortable compared to historical trend. It is a way to get a feel for the market sentiment, reminding us to stay calm when things get overheated. Remember, be fearful when the market is greedy, but be greedy when the market is fearful. They also have this AI chatbot Power Up. Imagine there's an AI assistant that can quickly summarize complex earning reports, compare stocks head to head, and give you a rapid market news update. So Longbridge has this. It is surprisingly handy. This is not to give you when to sell or buy the stock, but just a quick summary of how is the market and why is the stock going up or going down. But a quick summary of what is happening in the market. So you don't need to go through all the news by yourself. Opening an account was really simple for me. Here is how quick it works. First, download the Longbridge app in your mobile phone. Click Agree to the agreement. Second, key in your phone number. Click Send OTP. Pass a simple verification test and enter the OTP that you receive in the SMS. Third, the app will ask you to choose the text that you are interested in, so you can choose some of the stock or industry that you like. Now I kind of get a new profile, but this is not yet finished. The account opening process has just started. So go to the portfolio tab at the bottom and sign up using MyInfo. Click continue. So most of the details will be autofill. A few quick taps for jobs and income info. Read and confirm the risk disclosures and then hit the submit button. Approved within minutes. I got an SMS saying that my account was ready. Seriously, it was that fast. Depositing funds, even easier. I choose direct debit authorization, DDA. It was instant, zero fee, and I can link it with my bank account. So everything works perfectly. Now let's talk about the bonus you can get if you sign up. If you sign up with my referral link, it is like a win-win situation for both you and me to get some rewards. Depending on how much you deposit and how many trades you make, you could get free stocks up to $800. That's a lot. So there are 3 reward tiers. Tier 1, you have to deposit 2,000 Sing dollar and make 3 buy trades. Then you will get half a share of Nvidia, which is around 91 USD. Tier 2 is that you deposit 10,000 Sing dollar and make 5 buy trades. Then you get 1 Apple share, which is around 229 USD. Tier 3 is the highest. You deposit 100,000 Sing dollar and make 8 buy trades. You will get 1 share each of Nvidia, Apple, Google, and AMD, which is worth about $800 in total. Just a heads up, only buy trades count, not selling trades. If you buy one stock and sell one stock, it is only considered as one trade. Extra bonus is that you can earn interest on your cash. So if you're not ready to invest right now because you feel like the market is overheated, no problem. Longbridge sweetened the deal even further. So they offer 6% interest on your first $2,000 for 90 days. That is around $30 in free interest within 3 months. So just by keeping your cash there, just make sure to redeem the interest boost coupon when you have satisfied the criteria to receive the welcome reward. This promotion can change, so do check the link in the description for the latest welcome reward. It's open exclusively to Singapore residents, including citizens, PRs, and work pass holders. So if you are working in Singapore, you also can consider open the brokerage account and start investing. If you're eligible, now is the time to take advantage. My personal experience has been incredibly smooth. The app is intuitive, and once I deposited, I immediately exchanged to some USD and grabbed some tech stock. Yes, I'm always bullish on Apple and Nvidia, but please do your own due diligence. My portfolio has already seen some slight bump even after accounting for the minimal fees, and I'm eagerly awaiting for this welcome reward, which I will share with you later, just to be transparent. Remember, we can't time the market, but if you're looking to start investing and have some spare cash now, getting some free stock on top of the low fee platform is a no-brainer. I can't guarantee your portfolio will jump overnight, but with these welcome bonuses, why wouldn't you try? So if you are searching for a beginner-friendly investing platform with incredibly low fees, powerful features, and some of the best sign-up bonus out there, Longbridge is absolutely worth trying. Use my referral link in the description to sign up and claim your bonuses once you have satisfied all the criteria, probably 1 month later. Like this video if it helped you to understand Longbridge better, and subscribe for more investing tips and reviews that actually save you money. Thanks for watching and happy investing. Don't let high fees hold you back. Start saving and investing today.